have been coming to Restoration Chiropractic for care, and it has been wonderful. I had lower back pain, had been going to many chiropractors for many years due to that back pain, and nothing had changed. And since I've been coming to Restoration Chiropractic, I honestly don't have lower back pain anymore. And God is our ultimate healer, but He has been using Dr. Kowalski for many, many ways of healing. I have had no more lower back pain. I've had a lot of headaches, those are gone. I've had shoulder pain that is gone. I've had knee pain, we're still working on it, but it has subsided, which is, I'm thankful. Hormonal imbalances as well. I feel like those are gone as well with how my cycles are back to normal, which is wonderful. I've had teeth issues in the past as well, and I actually needed to get a root canal. But since coming here at Restoration Chiropractic, I have not had to get that root canal. My teeth are healed. I don't have any more issues from heat or cold. So that is a wonderful thing. So God is definitely our healer, but He definitely used Dr. Kowalski to help heal me. So thank you. Say hi, Hannah.
Hi.
This is Hannah. She also comes to Restoration Chiropractic, and she has had lower back problems, lots of constipation, and she kind of has a little bit of a limp, but or used to, I guess. Now she does not have a limp. She is not as constipated anymore, so her tummy doesn't hurt, and she's feeling a lot better. You feel better? Yeah, that's good. This is Daniel. He is a little over a year. He's been coming and getting some work done. He's had up in his atlas area, he needed to get readjusted, but it seems like he's doing a lot better. He used to throw up and spit so much, and whenever he'd feed, and now he's just keeping everything down. He's able to digest well. Yeah, functionally walking, running, doing a good job. So both my kids love their chiropractic care.